Mark Cuban just bet $1 million that crypto is going to do better than the stock market over the next 10 years. He's betting another billionaire investor, and this all started because of an argument over Dogecoin. This guy named Peter Malik, he basically was saying Dogecoin's just a pump and dump. It's going to drop. It's going to go back down to zero. No one should buy it. And then Mark Cuban basically said, he stood up for it. He spoke about Dogecoin. He spoke about crypto. He also placed another $1 million bet on just investing in Amazon and Netflix over the S&P 500. So we have a lot of information to cover, a lot of exciting stuff on Dogecoin, on crypto in general, and the little bit of an argument that we saw on Twitter take place between Mark Cuban and this other billionaire investor. So we're going to go over everything you need to know with Dogecoin's price, where it is right now, with crypto. And if you enjoy this sort of content, well then please be sure to like the video down below, subscribe to my channel, turn on the bell notifications so you can stay up to date every time I post a new video, and comment down below your thoughts on Dogecoin, on crypto, and on this argument that these guys are having. So anyways, Mark Cuban is betting $1 million that Amazon and Netflix, first of all, will do better than the S&P 500. And also, in addition to that, he's betting $1 million that crypto is going to do better than the S&P 500 as well. And this all started off with basically this guy named Peter Malik was saying how Dogecoin is a pump and dump. There's no point of investing in Dogecoin. Everyone should get out of it because otherwise they're going to lose a lot of money. And basically Mark Cuban came out and said, when was the last time you looked at your bank account and felt like you had more money to spend and things got cheaper? And Doge might not go up, but I'm saying there is a chance. That's why I invest in it. That's why people talk about it. That's why people put money in it. He even came out on the Ellen DeGeneres show and said very similar stuff. He's like, buying Dogecoin, it's not like the end-all be-all investment. It might become huge. It might be accepted at lots of places all around the world, but it's better than a lottery ticket. That is what he compared it to. So he's not saying it's the best thing out there. It could turn into something great. We've seen Elon Musk talk about it. We've seen Mark Cuban. It could turn into something that's accepted widely at, all stores across the world. But it also, it's just right now, he said it's basically better than a lottery ticket. Either way, though, when you're looking at Dogecoin's price, it has skyrocketed and it's continued to stay at the level. It is still getting close to touching that 40 cents per coin range after dropping about 50% after that massive run up. Now we're starting to touch those record highs again, starting to flirt with that 40 cents per coin range, and volume, 24-hour volume is sitting right around 10.31 billion. So volume has gone up dramatically over the last couple days. People are getting more excited about Elon Musk, his SNL skit coming up, Mark Cuban now defending Dogecoin on Twitter, and everything else going on. We're seeing Dogecoin start to flirt with record highs again. So other stuff going on with this bit of, Twitter beef. So the guy named Peter Malik, I didn't know who he was at first, but I looked him up. He's a billionaire investor. He is the head, he heads in RIA with $42 billion in assets, and his net worth is probably right around $2 billion. So essentially he was saying that right here, so many people are going to lose so much money listening to this straight out of Dumb and Dumber. He said if you buy 100 stocks, odds are most go up. If you buy 100 cryptocurrencies, most will go to zero. Big difference. Mark Cuban came out, he responded to this by saying only a fool would buy 100 stocks or 100 crypto assets. But let me ask a question. What rights do you have as a shareholder in any public company stock have you bought? So basically, he was saying that, of course not. Don't buy all 100 cryptocurrencies. Don't buy 100 stocks. It's best to be diversified into both of them. But this guy was saying that it is so stupid to invest in Dogecoin. And Mark Cuban was coming out and basically he was saying it's not stupid. He thinks, there's a demand for it. Dallas Mavericks accept it. He said better than keeping money in cash, better than a lottery ticket. And while it may not be the best investment out there, it does have a lot of potential, and he's willing to put his money where his mouth is, bet on Dogecoin, on crypto in general, and also bet on a different investing strategy than this guy Peter Malik has. So let me know your thoughts, but I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Don't forget to like the video down below, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys in the next one.